Hi guys, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we have another digital SATs type of a question in the topic of percents. Let's dive into it. There are three numbers in a set. One of the numbers, t, is 50% less than the sum of the other two numbers. If the sum of the three numbers is 750, what is the value of t? Now this can be a complicated question, so let's mark these first. We have three numbers. We have 50%, we have 750, and we have t given already, which means all three numbers in the sum is 750, and then we have t, right? They didn't give us the two other numbers, so we just call them x and y. That's no issue. So first of all, we want to find x plus y, right? For that, we will use this 50%. So 1 whole is 1, right? Like 100% is 1, right? Minus 0.5, because that's 50%, equal to 0.5, obviously. Now, we will use this information. I will choose a different color. 0.5. Open up parentheses, x plus y. So 0.5x, when we distribute that, 0.5x plus 0.5y plus x plus y equals to 750. Now we put these together. This will give us 1.5x plus 1.5y equals to 750. And then we will put a parentheses up again. That's important. 1.5, open up a parentheses, x plus y, close the parentheses, equal to 750. Now, I'm having no space here, so I'll write it down right here again. Actually, I will erase this so you don't get confused. 1.5, open up parentheses, x plus y equal to 750. Now we divide both sides by 1.5 because they cancel each other out there, so we get x plus y. 750 divided by 1.5 equals to, you're allowed to use the calculator by the way, is 500. Let me write this down here. That means x plus y equals to 500. And we are searching for t, right? How to find t? Let's try it out. T plus x plus y equals to 750, right? So we write this down here. And then x plus y is 500, right? They cancel each other out there. That means we have to take away 500 from 750, which is 250. Oh, I'm sorry for that. 250. That means t equals to 250. This is the choice A. That's the solution for this given question. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, any comments, just comment down below. Thank you.